What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So right now it is currently day 3 of ownership of my new 2020 Shelby GT500. It is completely broken in. So right now, today is gonna be my first day taking it to the drag strip. Right now I'm in Dallas, Texas. I'm really looking forward to this. My first time ever drag racing my GT500. Not just that, we have so many Mustang enthusiasts that are going to be at this track who have been waiting so long to see a GT500 in person, let alone actually run down the quarter mile. Anyways, let's see what happens. You rev it. You can hold both paddle shifters and it's pretty fun.
Yeah, that's badass, man. Congrats.
Take some video with your camera too?
Yeah. Okay.
Here, then I'll just not wear the gloves either, because wearing gloves no helmet. First time in a GT500, I'm guessing.
Well, yeah, in a 2020.
Well, this is a good vehicle to start with, man.
Yeah.
He's not allowed to drive it.
Whatever.
Oh, you're gonna like it. You're gonna like it, man. Pretty cold outside. I mean, I thought Texas was pretty hot.
Well, I mean it's winter time, so.
Okay, guys, here we go. First time drag racing my 2020 Shelby GT500. We've got Omar with me. You're like a drag strip addict, right? You always go here?
I hang out here a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, well, I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to ride in it, man.
So let's go ahead and head this way. You guys get many stock cars out here? It seems like you have a lot of drag-focused vehicles.
Yeah. Well, this is actually my friend TJ Bailey does these private track rentals, and at this one, it seemed that lots of grudge racers kind of showed up for this one.
Okay. It's interesting seeing what some of these modern cars can do. Like the Demon over there, 9 seconds
I want to
flat.
see what this transmission is going to shift like. I mean, I'm a fan of the 10R80 in my GT, so I imagine this is
a light
next level.
years different,
Yeah.
man. This is gonna be the first customer GT500 to do a drag strip run that I've seen online, honestly. But this is gonna be it's exciting.
How shitty is this? The slow mark is the
What up? That's kind of my handle that my friends call me. My name is Omar, as you know, but Slowmar. Just ease forward until the second. All right, now do your thing. Woohoo!
Holy shit!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you ain't gotta lock them up, but just let off the gas.
Oh my
like
God.
I said, we can coast all the way to the end, or there's multiple pullouts.
How that looked good?
Yeah, it did. It pulled hard.
Did I let off too early, you think?
No, you didn't. The first 2 sets of cones you see are going to be the 1/8 mile, and then the second 2 sets of cones are going to be the 1/4 mile. Yeah, just slow down now. We're running out of road.
It just went.
And you can make as many passes as you want. Yeah. Oh, it went. It went.
Shit.
It went good, man. It went real good. That
felt so. What do you think of it, man?
Well, it pulled hard. It pulled very hard.
Oh my gosh.
That was very good for your first time out there, for sure. It's good that it hooked.
That's gotta be an 11, right?
Oh shit! I didn't even look at the damn deal.
That launched so hard. That launched so hard.
Well, see, that's what I was telling you. The difference, like the lateral G's, you feel doing the road course, but on this one, you feel it this way. Hey, what was the time?
10-9.
10-9. All right, okay.
With a passenger.
Well, cool. We're heading back up there. Yeah, you can stop. She's got a time slip for you.
Man, we're all ecstatic about that shit.
Dude, it felt good. All right, well, we're pulling back up there right now.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
10.968 at 129.
Woo!
That's the passenger
129? Yeah.
in the car has stuff in it.
It felt pretty good in here.
Did you get them modes figured out and everything? Dude,
Yeah,
so
I
we were all up there betting, like, all right, who's gonna? So I was like, I bet 11-2.
Kind of quirky on these things.
Yeah.
No, that was great, man. Like we were all like, that car came from the dealership to this track. That's unbelievable.
Did it squat like launching? Did it just?
Well, we could tell you were kind of trying to get it right, but man, we're like, yeah, he's gonna do 12. Oh shit! He's waving you up. He's waving you up.
just goes. I've never been in a car that accelerates that fast before. Up here, it feels like butterflies or something. It's like a roller coaster. Like you've been to Superman, that roller coaster. The force of launching it like that. I don't know how fast that was, but I think it was pretty good. Oh, God, I'm not a drag racer too. I'm an amateur. I'm the biggest amateur you could possibly imagine with this. I'm a track guy, and I think this is making the car look so good too. Oh my God, I think that was 2,500 RPM. We have a lot more RPM to go with. I guess we can keep trying to work our way up. And I think maybe we can max it out with the RPMs. I don't know quite yet, but oh gosh. Let's see this where the time slip is. Pretty good.
You made another trip, huh? You did way better, babe.
How fast?
130, 196.
10.7?
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Go, guy.
This is my second pass. What did Ford do to this thing? Why is it so fast? Okay, we're amping up the game. We're going higher. Launch control. We're going higher with this thing. We're gonna see what it can do. Launch control 3,200, maxed out. Let's do it. Am I in drag mode? Drag strip. 3,200, maxed out.
All right, rock and roll.
Think about this. You are about to have the fastest GT500 on the planet. Not in America,
On the planet. I think that may have been the fastest one yet. I'm not sure though. 1.08 G's acceleration. Almost 1.1 G's. Hopefully we did beat our last time. Let's see what happens. Was it faster?
Yes. 10.728.
Oh my gosh, 10.728.
You had a 10.770 while ago, so.
Okay,
You're
I'm gonna see.
faster.
Thank you. 10.728. Ah, so close. Initialize line lock. Hold OK to initialize. It's at like
20? You want
it's
like
higher than
7?
20. It's the pressure is 28.
Oh.
See, it's high.
You think if
You'll still
I
go
lower
60.
the air pressure?
Oh yeah, if you lower the air pressure.
Yeah, if you
It's
lower
just-
that to about 24, it's gonna go.
I'll just do it real
Because what
quick.
happens is there's so much air in the tire and it's so sticky, the tire starts jumping, and that's
Okay.
what's happening.
I don't know if you noticed when you launched. Did you
Okay,
did you
a
notice
bit of
kind of like
spin over there. You notice that? A tiny
so
bit.
That's what we call wheel shake. Wheel shake happens usually when you have too much tire pressure in it,
Okay.
and the track's not wanting to grab.
Okay.
Well, let me rephrase that. The track's grabbing, but your tire's not wanting to
Oh.
catch with it, right? So that's kind of the bad thing about street tires is they're not.
Yeah.
They're good for the drag strip, right?
24. He's got it.
You should be good.
Oh yeah.
Hey, take that hood off.
Hey, that would have been a 46.
That had to be the best one. Had to. That had to be the best one. I'm sold on that. Better?
You there, baby. 10-6.
10-6?
Yep. 10-6-5-5. You're good.
Holy shit! This is amazing, thank you! 10-6! Yes! Huge thanks to the entire team out here. I'm gonna make sure to leave all their information just floating around somewhere on the screen or in the comments or in the description box, whatever it may be. But they're awesome to work with. They taught me a lot about drag racing and we did it! 10-6!